Babies are getting a little mosquito spray because the mosquitoes are so bad. There's a lot of sneezing going on. Bless you! Bless you!
I didn't get rid of it fully, she just put in a cloud of it. I never actually got on her.
Okay, I think you got everybody.
Oh, I didn't.